Welcome, in front of me Apple Watch Ultra 3, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when notifications are not showing on your Apple Watch. Basically, it's very easy to fix. So if you connect it to your Apple Watches, you should get notifications. But if you're not, so you should open a watch application. This is the native app to set up your Apple Watches. And here we have notifications, right? This is the main thing. And here we have notification indicator, show summary, okay. Tap to show full notifications, and here we have the main thing. So at the very beginning, here you have the list of all apps you have on the iPhone that sends you notifications, and here you can select the applications that will send you notifications to your Apple Watch. So, for example, mirror iPhone alerts from these apps. Here you have applications that you can't download to your Apple Watch, because here you have apps those downloaded on your Apple Watch. For example, Mail app, and you can mirror notifications from Mail to your iPhone, or you can customize it in some way. For example, send to notification center, disable notification, or something about it. If you have disabled notifications, so you should enable it if you wanna receive notifications. But here you have just downloaded apps. Those are not available on the Apple Watch, but you can still get notifications from them. So you just should enable or disable these apps. If you still if your notification is still not showing, so it's better sometimes to reinstall application. For example, if you don't receive notifications from X, so just remove X, download it again, allow all notifications, and then you will be able to have notifications on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.